What's going on, guys? Everyone who's trading futures out there, let's get ready and look at the charts for tomorrow. First things first, hope you guys all had a wonderful holiday weekend, enjoyed some time away from the screens, some time away from the charts. But it's time to get back to work now. So as we go into the end of this year, one thing that I'm going to be looking at here, the bulls still remain exceptionally strong. So if you kind of look at where the price action has opened up here, you can see we're awfully close to kind of taking out, the previous trading days highs here. Anything over 17,041, it has open skies, right? You could definitely see the bulls start to really push and make these new highs. Over the 40s, we would be looking to test 17,073. And then over that, any close, I would be targeting 17,340. Now, again, if you're thinking, well, that's 300 points away, I don't really think that the bulls can, continue this massive run. The more you think that, the more you're going to continue to get ran over. So until we get some type of clarification, until we get some type of indication, until we get some type of confirmation that the bulls are indeed starting to lose steam and they're starting to back test support, we're going to need to take out Friday's lows. If we take out the previous week's lows, we've got to get below this 10-day moving average sitting at 16,845. Below that, then yes, I'm going to, be a little bit more short bias and try to target these two channels going back to the 20th and the 21st. That price that we would be looking to target would be 1650s. And ultimately, I would like to see a back test into 16,641. So you can see we're going to have opportunities to take these short positions, but what I don't want traders to do is sort of get wrapped up in trying to time that top, right? So it's when you try to time that top is when you can get crushed. And that's what you don't want to do as a trader, is try to anticipate the move before the move actually starts. Because a lot of times traders will anticipate. They don't want to believe that, the market isn't going any higher. You start to put on these short positions, and then you continue to get trapped, right? And ultimately, I think that's what we've been seeing since the end of October, is traders are trying to pick these tops and the market is just squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. You have to really think about it from an interest rate perspective, from a news kind of outlook, from a headline outlook. There's nothing really at this current time. Now, I'm not saying that the economy, I'm not saying that everything going on is perfect right now, but there's not a lot of juice to bring this market down right now. Okay, so until we get some sort of juice, some sort of headline, some sort of change, then maybe we can look for, there could be some bigger potential moves. And I'll just give you guys some levels that maybe you want to look for if those moves do happen. Anything below 16,437 can definitely start to sink into 15,900s. Again, that would be a pretty firm support there. So I really don't want to have a further discussion until we do lose a 20-day moving average. But ultimately right now, I could see the bulls pushing into 17,300, even 400s before the year is over, or, even to start January. And then we see a little bit of a pullback, in mid to late January. Typically February slows down. It's a little bit of a slower month, so we could see our pullback in February. So if we want to continue to extend this rally that we've had the previous 2 months, definitely look for those price targets to kind of hit. Anything taking out that 17,073, look for that punch into 17,300s and 400s. And then from there, we can have a discussion to see where we come back and test kind of this supply. But I just wanted to give everyone a little bit of an outlook. I hope you guys all enjoyed your weekend. And again, just kind of keep in mind, if you have struggled a little bit in 2023, but you're learning and you're kind of gaining a little bit of confidence, reading the markets, you're getting a little bit more success, keep continuing to build on that going into 2024. If you didn't really feel like you had a lot of progression in 2023, really look at the things that you were doing wrong. Are you going against a trend? Are you over trading? Is your size too big? Are you rushing? Do you revenge trade? Are you lacking emotional discipline and control? What are those issues that you're facing on a day in and day out basis? And let's try to correct those when we come into the market each and every single day. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. I'll see all of you guys on the inside. See the rest of you guys on YouTube. And again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.